Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the Mella Collection in white and black. We'll look at the different countertop options as well as all the different features of this Vanity Collection. Let's go take a look. The white Mella Collection is available in two sizes. The 42-inch is only available with a marble countertop, and the 36-inch can be customized with Calcutta quartz, white quartz, and finally Carrara marble or Carrara quartz. The Mella 36-inch model in black offers the same multiple countertop options to suit your design tastes. Each countertop is pre-drilled for an easy faucet installation. The drawers and doors feature soft closing hardware for quiet and comfortable use. The ceramic sink is recessed and rectangular in shape. Each of our cabinets is made with solid hardwood construction and MDF side panels, and the legs are adjustable for easy installation in your bathroom. What's more, there's no need to assemble the furniture as it's already assembled in the packaging. You can choose black or silver handles, depending on your preference. If you ever need to remove the drawers, I'll just show you the process quickly. You just need to remove two screws just on the left and right underneath the drawer, so on this side here and on this side. So you just need a screwdriver or a drill. So you just remove it like this. And that's two. And then the drawer comes right out. And then to place back the drawer into the vanity, it's just the same thing. You just have to put the screws right back in, and that's all. Choose the Mella Collection from Golden Elite Deco to bring a touch of style and functionality to your bathroom. Make your choice today and treat yourself to the piece of furniture of your dreams.